How to create Google Form with photo upload. First, visit the googleforms.com. Here, click on Sign In, and after signing in, this web page will appear on the screen. So click on Blank Form here. This interface will appear on your screen. You can select this icon if you want to add image to the form. But if you want to add some requirements of image, then click here on Multiple Choice. Then go to the File Upload. Now click on Continue. Here, toggle on the Allow Only Specific Files Type option and tick on the Image option. With also, you can specify the file size, which is denoted in MBs. Here, toggle on the Required option at bottom. To save this form, click on Published once it is published. Then move your cursor here and copy the URL address. You can paste this link to any social media platform and share it with anyone. To check, paste it on New tab and click on Add File option and upload any image from your device. Once the image is uploaded, submit the response form. Once it is submitted, go back to your form portal. Click on Response, and there you have the image that was submitted in the response. That's how you can create Google Form with photo upload. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.